Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. The UMI 6411 shock relocation kit fits 1973 to 1987 GM square body trucks. It allows you to use a stock length shock with our 6410 flip kit or other manufacturers' brands of flip kits. The distance here allows the use, like I said, of the stock length shock, so you don't need any special shocks to use the 6411 flip kit. Our kits come with either Bilstein or Viking shocks, but you can choose the brand that you want to use. It's made from strong 3/16 construction, laser cut and bent in-house, USA steel, gloss black powder coat, and includes all necessary hardware for installation. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.